Hello everyone, this is Tracer the Husky here, and I am here at Fire Station 15, actually 16, with their engine. It is probably a 2009 E1 Quest, older model, but it's still a goodie. You can tell it's an older model because of the headlights, the way the headlights are shaped. Gamma Sentry, Warlock AS. The Engine Company 16 is one of the older trucks. That's the inside. And they're ISO class 1. Extra compartments on the sides. There's the pump panel. Suction hose that takes all the exhaust all the way up and out. Their ALS pumper. And this is the back of the unit. So yeah, this is Engine 16.